Here we go then. A bit of winter. Time for the breakfast. For the crows, magpies, seagulls, starlings, pesky seagulls and pigeons. But first of all, let's clear off this snow first. Cracking job I'm doing there. Be no music on this video. First video I've made for years. Let's see if it can get over 100 views and 10 likes. And that'll beat my all-time record. Surely the YouTube algorithm likes wildlife and people who keep it going. Now this what £5 worth of reduced crisps look like. Look at that. Come on. Hey. 20 pence instead of £1.25. Absolute bargain. Oh, I know. Open the packets. Your little feather friends are hungry. Takes ages as well to open them. I was going to do it on time lapse, but I thought, no, let's just carry on. There's a little blackbird. Come on, crow, hurry up and get out my way. It's not that cold really, like. -1. Worse in America. There we go. Next reel. Here we go. 2 minutes of birds enjoying themselves. Don't forget, hit the like. Let's get over 10 views. 10 likes, I mean. Let's get over 10 likes. Thanks for watching. If you're still here, much appreciated. Let the final minute of the video go uninterrupted. Thanks for watching. See ya.